Right. Next heading. Dispersion without deviation. Dispersion without deviation. ठीक है. तो we know that when white light passes from prism, then it is split into its constituent colors. It is split into its constituent color. So white light has white light has 7 colors. Na? So when sunlight passes through prism, then it is split into 7 colors. ठीक है. Due to dispersion. ना? ठीक है. So deviation is maximum for violet and least for red. So violet color bend maximum toward base and red color bend least toward the base. So this phenomena occur at the first surface of the first prism. Okay. Now, when this ray enter into second prism, then it again bend toward the base of the second prism. The base of the second prism is opposite to base of first prism. Your first prism is flint. First prism is made of flint, having refractive index mu, angle of prism A, and second prism is made of crown glass, having refractive index mu dash and angle of prism A dash. Okay. Now, light ray bend. Now, when light ray passes through prism, then it bend toward the base. So, bending is maximum for violet and least for red. So, red color bend toward the base. Path of red color in second medium, that is crown glass, is this. Now it bend toward the base like this. Okay. And violet path of violet color is crown glass is this. Now it bend toward the base. Deviation is maximum for this ray. Okay. So this is your mu dash and this is your A dash. So deviation is maximum for violet. So violet bend in the direction. Now light ray bend maximum. Violet ray maximum toward base of the crown glass. So this is your normal. So deviation is maximum for violet. Maximum for violet. Path of the violet color is this, na? In absence of air, now it is going in air, so bend toward the base. It go other from the north. That is angle of emergence become greater than angle of incidence. ये बताइए पांच मिनट का भाई कौन सा देगा समझ रहे हैं तो पांच समझ रहे हैं दोबारा समझना है कोई वर्ग नहीं 5 मिनट path of the red color is this. Now it bend. It go away from normal. So the path followed by red color will be this. So thus violet and red color separated. But yellow color is parallel to the incident color. Incident ray. This is your yellow color. Main color yellow is parallel to the incident ray. So this is the path of main color yellow green. Main color yellow green. The path of the main color yellow green is this is your red color. You have yellow color. The yellow color is parallel to the incident ray. So deviation is 0. Angle between parallel rays is 0. So we can say deviation is 0. One time again. When hot light passes through filled glass, then it is split into its constituent 7 colors. ठीक है, violet get maximum toward base and red least. ठीक है, और this is your yellow color. Dotted color is yellow color. ठीक है, तो अच्छा when the rays passes through the crown glass, then it went toward the base of the crown. ठीक है, तो deviation is maximum for violet. Violet after bending follow this path. Red after bending follow this path. Yellow color after bending follow this dotted path. So this is the direction of incident ray. This dotted line represent direction of incident ray, and this dotted line represent emergent yellow color. Main color yellow. So these two lines are parallel. So angle between parallel lines meet at infinite. So angle between them is 0. ठीक है, they go to infinite. तो two parallel lines meet at infinite. So it means angle of deviation is 0. Main color is in the direction of incident ray. From this it is clear. Main color is in the direction of incident ray. It means there is no deviation. But this person occurs. Why? You have different light colors. Violet here, red here, yellow here, and rest color between them. So thus you get dispersion without any deviation. So how you adjust prism material, so that you get this such phenomena. We have to find condition. Okay. So for dispersion without deviation, for no deviation, deviation produced by crown filled glass, deviation produced by crown prism, and plus deviation produced by flint prism must be 0. Sum of deviation produced by crown prism and flint prism must be 0. So right way. The deviation produced by crown glass will be refractive index of crown -1 into prism angle of crown prism. Deviation produced by flint will be refractive index of flint glass -1 into prism angle refracting angle of prism for film. So this is so this to simplify this, so mu -1 into a is equal to minus mu dash -1 into a dash. So you get a upon a dash is equal to minus mu dash -1 upon mu minus है ना, ठीक है. तो दिस इज योर condition for no deviation. This is the condition for no deviation. Condition for no deviation. For डेविएशन, है ना, ठीक है। तो योर फ्रिंज एंगल मस्ट, द रेशियो ऑफ फ्रिंज एंगल मस्ट बी in according to this equation ना, ठीक है। रेशियो ऑफ फ्रिंज एंगल must be according to this equation ना, and negation indicate that base of fringe must be opposite, base of fringe must be opposite ना, वो base of one fringe is downward, then base of another fringe will be upward ना। So these are the two conditions under which you get dispersion without deviation ना। तो what is net dispersion है? So to find net dispersion, find dispersion predicted by flint glass and find dispersion predicted by flint glass and crown glass and something. So net dispersion is equal to dispersion predicted by crown glass plus dispersion predicted by flint glass. So theta is equal to dispersion predicted by crown glass n minus 1 mu minus 1 into a plus mu dash minus 1 into a, है ना। Now take a common, mu minus 1 into a common, then you get 1 plus mu dash minus 1 into a dash upon mu minus 1, ठीक है, c upon a dash। तो mu minus 1 into a is the deviation produced by flint glass, so this is your delta ना, delta is mu minus 1 and 1 plus mu dash minus 1 upon mu minus 1 into a dash by a. The value of a dash by a is mu dash minus 1 upon mu minus 1, है ना, value of a dash by a, so that is value of a dash by a। एक मिनट, ये करता है, ये तो डिविजन का पार्ट हो गया, इससे मार देगा, दिस पर्सन पार्ट का होता है LB minus NR into A होगा ना, ये लिखा, ठीक है। यहाँ म्यू है, रिफ्लेक्टेशन वाला म्यू B minus म्यू R, और यहाँ पर म्यू B डैश माइनस म्यू आर डैश इंटू ए डैश, ठीक है। अब इसमें ए कॉमन ले लीजिए, ए म्यू बी माइनस म्यू आर कॉमन ले लीजिए, देन यू गेट 1 प्लस म्यू बी डैश माइनस म्यू आर डैश इंटू ए डैश अपॉन म्यू बी माइनस म्यू आर इंटू, ठीक है। तो राइट वैल्यू, दिस इज योर a mu b minus mu r, divide this by delta y, हाँ, 1 plus mu b dash minus mu r dash upon mu b minus mu r into a dash by a की वैल्यू आपने a dash by a क्या होगा, इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा, a by a dash है, a dash by a इसका उल्टा हो जाएगा, यहाँ पर भी देते हैं क्या रहेगा, माइनस म्यू माइनस 1 अपॉन माइनस, ठीक है, एक प्लस। अब यह जाएगा तुम्हारा a म्यू बी minus mu r 1 ये हो जाएगा आपका 1 माइनस म्यू बी डैश माइनस म्यू आर डैश अपॉन म्यू डैश माइनस इनटू ये हो जाएगा म्यू बी माइनस म्यू आर म्यू बी माइनस म्यू आर, ठीक है। यहाँ अपॉन म्यू बी माइनस म्यू आर म्यू बी माइनस म्यू आर अपॉन म्यू माइनस म्यू माइनस, ठीक है। इसको हमने नीचे पढ़ते हैं। ये हमारा क्या हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा हमारा ये डिस्पर्सिव पावर ऑफ, ये क्या है डिस्पर्सिव पावर ऑफ क्राउन ग्लास, ये क्या है बताओ डिस्पर्सिव पावर ऑफ क्राउन ग्लास, ये क्या है डिस्पर्सिव पावर ऑफ फ्लिंट ग्लास, फ्लिंट, ठीक है। तो चलिए राइट वैल्यू देन यू गेट थीटा, थीटा इज इक्वल टू
ये फौजी आ गया और क्या
थीटा इज इक्वल
तेरे
टू
पास
म्यू वी माइनस म्यू आर
इन सब भी आगे चलेंगे
1 माइनस डिस्पर्सिव पावर फॉर फ्रिज मटेरियल ऑफ क्राउन ग्लास, ओमेगा डैश अपॉन dispersive power of फ्रिज मटेरियल फॉर फ्लिंट ग्लास ऑफ फ्लिंट ग्लास, तो अब इसको क्या करते हैं, इसको हम डेल्टा वाई से मल्टीप्लाई और डेल्टा वाई से डिवाइड कर देते हैं, तो आपका सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म है देखो। तो थीटा इक्वल टू हो जाएगा तुम्हारा a म्यू बी माइनस म्यू आर अपॉन डेल्टा वाई इनटू डेल्टा वाई, ठीक है। और ये कितना हो जाएगा 1 माइनस ओमेगा डैश अपॉन ओमेगा,
तो फिर से लौटा दो
ये हो जाएगा a म्यू बी माइनस म्यू आर ए अपॉन ये म्यू वाई माइनस 1 इनटू ये हो जाएगा, ठीक है। ये म्यू माइनस 1 इनटू ये हो जाएगा, ये आपका डेल्टा वाई है ना, ये 1 माइनस ओमेगा डैश अपॉन ओमेगा, तो ये क्या चीज है बताओ, ये से कैसे हो जाएगा, ये डिस्पर्सिव पावर ऑफ इसे दियो डिस्पर्सिव पावर ऑफ फ्लिंट ग्लास ओमेगा, तो डेल्टा वाई 1 माइनस ओमेगा डैश वाई ओमेगा, अब ओमेगा से इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, तो थीटा इक्वल क्या हो जाएगा डेल्टा वाई ओमेगा माइनस ओमेगा डैश ओमेगा माइनस ओमेगा डैश ओमेगा माइनस
ओमेगा डी
ओमेगा
मेगा
माइनस ओमेगा डैश, this is your net dispersion.